Good morning, students. Welcome to today's Accountancy online class. Students, in our last class, we have started a new chapter. The name of the chapter was Financial Statement of Not-for-Profit Organization. We have discussed the concept related to not-for-profit organization. We saw the features of not-for-profit organization. We also saw that there are three financial statements related to not-for-profit organization. They were receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Today we will discuss more about receipt and payment account, and let us do one problem also related to receipt and payment account. Students, in the chapter Financial Statements of Not-for-Profit Organization, we discussed that there are three financial statements: receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. In our today's class, we will discuss about receipts and payment account, and we'll also do a problem related to preparation of receipt and payment account. Students, now let us see the features or characteristics of receipt and payment account. The first point is nature. Receipt and payment account is like an asset account, it being a summary of cash receipt and cash payments including bank balance. So it record all the cash receipt and cash payment. Second point is basis of preparing. It is prepared on cash basis of accounting. So only cash transactions are recorded here. No accrual basis of accounting are maintained in receipt and payment account. Third point is capital and revenue. It record all receipts and payments whether they are of revenue or capital nature. So both revenue nature and capital nature of our transactions are recorded in receipt and payment account. Next we have fourth one, period. It records all cash and bank transaction whether it relates to current year, previous year or next accounting period. So no matter which year it is, if we have received the money, we will record it. That is the matter. Fifth point is opening and closing balances. Opening balance of this account shows cash in hand and or at the bank in the beginning of the accounting period, and closing balance shows cash in hand or cash at bank at the end of the accounting period. So receipt and payment account debit side is brought down and credit side is carried down. That you have to understand. Now the sixth point is adjustments. Adjustments for outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued income or income received in advance, and depreciations are not made in this account as it is maintained on cash basis of accounting. Students, only cash basis of accountings are recorded in receipts and payment account, and the other transactions are not recorded. The seventh point is purpose. What is the purpose of preparing receipt and payment account? The main purpose is to show amount received and paid under different head during the accounting year. That is receipt and payment. Next, let us see the format of receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account is like asset account. Its debit side is of receipt and credit side shows the payment account. On receipt side, first item should be to balance brought down, that is opening balance of cash in hand or cash at bank as given in the question. Then we have subscription. Subscription is income for a non-profit organization. So if it is received for previous year, current year or next year, that will be recorded on the debit side. Then we have donation. Both general donation and specific donation will be recorded on the receipt side. Then grants for specific purpose, entrance fees, general grants, sale of newspaper or grass, interest on investment, dividend, rent received, life membership fees, all sort of receipt are recorded on the debit side of no receipt and payment account. There are some more items. You can look into the notes which will be provided and copy it in your accountancy notebook. Then on the credit side we have payment like salaries paid, rent paid, postage expenses, honorarium, repairs, expenses of show, all sort of payments will be recorded on the credit side of receipt and payment account. So if cash is moving out due to some payment, it will be recorded on the credit side. Then we have to close this account. So first you close the receipt side and then close the payment side. Whatever difference you will get, that is the balance carried down. Now let us do one problem. From the following information given below, prepare receipt and payment account of Railway Club for the year ended 31st March 2020. And you can see some items are given to you. The first item is cash in hand on 1st April 2019 with 4,390 rupees. So let us see how to record it. Here is the receipt and payment account. The receipt side on the debit side and payment on the credit side. So on the receipt side, that is on the debit side, the first item as per the question is to balance brought down. You can write as opening balance, and the first item given to you in the question is cash in hand. Now moving further, we can see that some more items. So all the items which are of receipt nature will be recorded in the receipt side, and all the items of payment items will be recorded on the payment side. Let us do second item, that is subscription. And where are we supposed to record the subscription? Yes, it is a receipt item, so we will record on the receipt side. The amount is given to you in the question. The next item as per the format is donation. Donation is also receipt. It will also be recorded on the receipt side with 8,000 rupees as given in the question. Then fourth items is entrance fees. Entrance fees is a receipt for non-profit organization. So that will be recorded on the receipt side. Next we have rent received for club halls. That will record in the receipt side because it is received. Okay, the next item as per the format is electricity charges. So charges means the electricity bill we have to pay, so it is a payment, so hence we will record it in the payment side. Next item is taxes paid, again the payment, so recorded in the payment side. Next item is of so it is rent received for club hall. So rent received, we are receiving, so it is in the receipt side, that means debit side. Next we have salary, so it's like salary paid, so salary payment side. Next we have honorarium to secretary. So secretary honorarium means it's like giving bouquets or mementos to the secretary, so it's a payment. Then interest received on investment, so it is again received. Next we have printing and stationery, it is also a payment. Next we have petty cash expenses. Expenses means payment. Then we have insurance premium paid, again payment, so payment side. And that last it is balance carried down. So as I told you, like we close any of the account, first we have to make total of receipt side, then make total of payment side, and you will find that payment side is short, and find out how much it is short. So here in this problem it is short by 33,000, so you have to write by balance carried down, cash in hand. So this is how it gets tally. So students, this is how you have to do the problem. For better understanding of the problem, you have to copy it in your accountancy notebook, pause the video, copy the question and do the problem along with me. In our next accountancy class, we will discuss the income and expenditure account. For today, it is all. Meet you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.